I'm making pancit for potluck. Do you like pancit? Just add carrots. What else I add here? Celery and cabbage. Then you have pancit. This is a Filipino favorite dish. It's a bihon, fried bihon and vegetable. This is actually vegetarian. So we have noodles, pancit for potluck today. Everyone, you fry garlic, onion, and then add carrots. And when it's cooked, add celery, soy sauce, add water, and put the noodles until it's softened. And put last the cabbage when the noodles is cooked. And then taste if the flavor is okay. Add some black pepper and some sesame oil. And that's for today, everyone. Is a noodles. Bye-bye.